My name is Himraj Naidu, and I had visited Agni because I had some complications post-COVID. Too had pains on my nerves as well as on my veins, and it was not going for at least like 15-20 days. I tried a lot of naturopathy, but it was effective for at least 2 weeks or so, but it was not that effective, wherein it just receded the pain. So then I came across one Instagram page of Agni, and I got to know that okay, there are some treatments, and then I connected with Samir, wherein I inquired about what are the programs, or do you offer any post-COVID treatments. Then I saw one of the advertisements wherein the post-COVID treatment was available for 3 nights and 2 days. 3 nights and 4 days. So that's where I got to know about Agni Ayurveda, and then I inquired further that this is what my problems are. COVID, basically what was happening was I lost a lot of weight, at least 5 kgs. The very first reading which I got during COVID was there was approximately 58, 57. And post-COVID it was 53. And then after that I used to have some food, but the pain, there was the specific problem was I had a lot of pains on my veins, but that was not at all receding. It was like sometimes it used to be like needles pain, and then sometimes it was like electric current flowing through my veins. That kind of pain I used to have, and then that was the major issue. That first it started on my hands, and then it slowly started also on my legs. Absolutely, the results were actually fantastic because the moment I started inquiring about the treatments, the very first impression which I got was like it was not like any other wellness centers, wherein the doctors actually inquired about my health. They first asked me about my reports, then they went through it, then they suggested that okay, this is the course that you should go, because that's the minimum amount of time that you have to spend there, so that it is effective. And once I got to know that okay, that there was a thorough investigation and study behind my problems or the pains that I used to have. So that was actually I have never seen anywhere actually asking me that okay, what exactly was the history. It was very detailed, and though it was online on phone, but it was very detailed. And, the very first suggestion that I got from the doctors at Agni was like, this is the specific time that you have to go, and this will definitely help in healing that pain. So once I went there, and the treatment itself was very the ambience was very peaceful, and that's the major plus point that you have at the treatment center. And second is the staff. The staffs are absolutely fantastic. It was very pleasant for me. It was actually pleasant for me and my wife that we stayed there, and it was actually very helpful. The treatments that it was like very personal attention was given by everyone. It was not like a regular treatment centers or a hospital kind of thing, wherein the doctors made it a point that even at night they used to come and then check okay, what exactly are the problems that you're facing, and then based on that the medicines were given. Treatment center, there were 2 therapies which was given every day. I don't recollect the name. There was some oil massage which was 2 therapies. Some medicines were given every day, and the therapies were different based on the kind of. So one was there was some powder and milk which was rubbed to the body, which makes the body cold, and then after 3 days, then there was some different treatment. So that 7 days were particularly based on the symptoms, specific symptoms that I was having. Based on the symptoms and the treatment, actually the examination at the night was important. They used to, the doctors used to come at night for examining me about what exactly at what level the symptoms are.
Okay.
And then based on that, the next day's treatment was decided. Diet was one of the most important thing that I found was actually complementing the treatment, because in spite of me, begging the kitchen staff to give me tea with milk, they said the doctor has actually asked not to drink milk. So that was actually the very good complimentary stuff that I saw there. Even the kitchen staff were every day they used to then ask the doctors that okay whether I can give him milk. So that was in and all it was a very cohesive environment. Even the diet was like first of all it was very delicious. I liked the food very much. There was no oil, not much of an oil. And I could see that any person can survive having even the simplest of meals. So yoga sessions I used to have in the evening. That I attended only for 2 days because I used to do yoga myself in the morning. Though I attended the sessions and then I learned and then I adapted in the morning, because evening time my medicine regimen was such that before food and after food there were some medicines which I had to take within that specific time. So after evening snacks the time left was very less. So that's the reason why I used to do yoga every day in the morning, but I adapted the sessions that were given the first 2 sessions.